वो जिंदा है और ठीक है। He is alive and well. सब ठीक है। All is well. मैं इसके होने की इजाजत नहीं दूंगा। I will not allow this to happen. वो हमारा इत्तेहादी है। He is our ally. He is alive and well. He is alive and well. All is well. All is well. I will not allow this to happen. I will not allow this to happen. He is our ally. He is our ally. मैं तकरीबन खत्म कर चुका हूं। I am almost finished. क्या आप अकेले हैं? Are you alone? उसके साथ वो दुरुस्त है। Along with that, he is right. मैं पहले ही पिज्जा ऑर्डर कर चुका हूं। I have already ordered a pizza. I am almost finished. I am almost finished. Are you alone? Are you alone? Along with that, he is right. Along with that, he is right. I have already ordered a pizza. I have already ordered a pizza. मैं भी इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहा हूं। I am also learning to speak English. मुतबादिल क्या है? What's alternative? क्या आप इसे बदल सकते हैं? Can you alter it? वो अपने भाई को देखकर खुश हुई। She was happy to see her brother. I am also learning to speak English. I am also learning to speak English. What's alternative? What's alternative? Can you alter it? Can you alter it? She was happy to see her brother. She was happy to see her brother. यहाँ क्या बहस चल रही है? What debate is going on here? क्या तुम जानते हो तुमने क्या किया है? Do you know what you have done? आपसे मिलने में उसे कोई एतराज नहीं है। He doesn't mind meeting you. मैंने आपके साथ बहुत बुरा किया। I really did wrong to you. What debate is going on here? What debate is going on here? Do you know what you have done? Do you know what you have done? He doesn't mind meeting you. He doesn't mind meeting you. I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. ऐसा मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? Why does it happen only with me? मुझसे बेहतर और कौन जानता था? Who knew that better than me? आज नहीं तो कल हमें उन्हें बताना पड़ेगा। Sooner or later, we will have to tell them. मैंने आपको कई बार कॉल की। I called you so many times. Why does it happen only with me? Why does it happen only with me? Who knew that better than me? Who knew that better than me? Sooner or later, we will have to tell them. Sooner or later, we will have to tell them. I called you so many times. I called you so many times. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। अगर वीडियो आपको थोड़ी सी भी यूजफुल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ हमारी इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करें। तो दोस्तों, मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।